Okay, so today I'm going to show you how I made one of my pages in my book. So just like what I'm going to do is I'm going to fill this with some placeholder text and add some images and wrap the text around the images and just have one full photo on this page. So let's start with making the full photo on this page. We're going to want to select this tool. We're going to make a box and Command D, and we're just going to want to find some random photo, not some random photo, but I'm going to choose some random photo. I'm going to choose this photo, open, select it, right click, and we're going to want to edit it with Photoshop. So we're going to go to image size, change this to 10, change this to 250. Okay. Command S. Okay. Command Tab. We're going back to our InDesign file. We're going to want to center this photo just so you can see like the key portion of it. And let's go on to this page. So here we're going to let's first move this into the correct layer. We're going to move this into our images layer. And so now we're going to go over to here. We're going to select our text tool. We're going to use Code Bold, one of the fonts I used in my book. Right click, fill with placeholder text. There it is. I'm going to backspace a few spaces, so there. Next, we're going to want to create one of our photos we're going to put in here. I'm going to put a photo right here. Command D, choose another photo, open, and then normally you would edit this in Photoshop, but I'm just gonna set it right here. And as you can see, this photo is going over the text a bit. So we're gonna select the photo, we're gonna select text wrap, and we're gonna wrap around object shape. And there you can see it's now wrapped around the text. One common thing I used in my book was I made these triangles, as you can see right here. So I'm going to show you how I made those. I'm going to select my pen tool, and right here I'm just going to click right here in the corner, right here, and right here. Okay. So then we're going to find another photo, Command D, and just select a random photo, open, and then again you'd normally edit this in Photoshop, but I'm just going to go ahead and just center it right here because I already edited this photo. I'm going to shrink it a bit more, and oops, do not want to do that. There. We'll just leave it like that. And then we're going to put this back where it was. Okay. And then we're going to apply a text wrap to this object also. And so another thing I did was I created borders for all my photos. So I'm going to show you how I did that. I used the thick thin 5pt. There. It's there. And I'm going to do the same thing for this photo. And then add a drop shadow. And the way you add a drop shadow is up here, right next to the 5pt. You see Apply Effects, Drop Shadow, and FX. You use Drop Shadow. And you see you can add it here. And I'm going to go over here and put these photos also in my images layer. You have to make sure everything's in the right layer or else everything gets messed up later on. So thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you. I'm going to go back over here.